Introducing ETS-RT 51, a rugged and high-performance RFID tag specially designed for tire tracking. Built using high-grade vulcanized rubber, this tag is meant for tires of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, trucks, and buses. Its unique antenna design ensures performance even under high temperatures throughout the tire's life cycle. The tag is ISO/IEC 18000-6C compliant and supports Alien Higgs 3-chip with secure memory features. It is fixed on the inner side of the tire using hot or cold vulcanization, tamper-proof and secure. It offers a read range of up to 4 meters when mounted on tire, ideal for manufacturing, retail, and fleet tracking. Enables life cycle tracking, theft prevention, and ensures matching of tires with assigned vehicles. Used across tire manufacturers, transport fleets, retail shops, and rental vehicles. ETS-RT 51. Rugged RFID tracking for your toughest tires, only from Eco Track Systems.